It's the festive season in India and everybody relies on the Indian Railways to travel across the country, which is why you see rush on railway stations. But this Yatri Suvidha Kendra has been built by the Indian Railways for this very purpose. This huge holding area has the capacity to accommodate at least 6,000 to 7,000 passengers in one go, and at least during the rush times it can accommodate around 10,000 people. So this is the entry point of the Jan Suvidha Kendra from platform 16, let me tell you. And boards have been put in place to ensure which train is coming at which time and on which platform. So as soon as you enter here, here is where the tickets can be purchased. So all those travelers who are ticketless must come over here first, and that is the unreserved ticket window where you will purchase your ticket. The purchasing machines have also been installed next to the unreserved ticket window, so you can also come here. You can select your language, you can select which ticket you want to charge. Do you want to renew a season ticket, or you want to put your UTS number and renew it? You can cancel this transaction, go back, buy a platform ticket, or recharge your smart card with all these facilities that are available here. So you can select your platform number, you can select the passenger numbers, the number of people who are in this ticket, you can choose your payment options and go ahead from here, collect your ticket from here. These gates, let me tell you, have been installed for the crowd control and crowd management purposes. So no one who doesn't have a ticket will come here. After you buy the ticket, there is another set of entrance from this side where the gates have been installed. So this is after you purchase your ticket, you will enter from this particular location. Again, another set of gates installed over here for crowd management purposes. As you can see, this particular gate can be opened and can be shut if it's wanted, and that is all to manage the crowd here. After you buy your ticket, and in near future the Railways is also going to start something called a ticket scanning machine. So once the ticket is scanned and it alerts that your train is going to arrive at this time, or there's half an hour before your departure time, only then will you be allowed from these metal detectors. Now they are broad-based metal detectors which will allow you to put your baggage inside and make sure that all your checking happens over here with security personnel placed at this very place. So here you will also have a person helping you with security personnel everywhere placed on each of these ticket scanning machines. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 such ticket scanning machines right now. And this is the holding area. After you have purchased your ticket, your train is scheduled to arrive and you come here. After you come here, here is where there's another crowd management mechanism. In rush time, you will align and make a queue, and after that you will be allowed out from here right onto the railway footover bridge. So right now you're seeing this bridge next to the exit point from here. This will be closed for people coming down. So currently this is being used for those people coming down the bridge, but this will be closed. And this will be the only entrance for those people who buy the ticket from the holding area to go to platform 16. So as you can see right now, you can see passengers going up and passengers coming down from the same platform footover bridge. This will not happen in future. Now all the people, all the passengers who exit have to exit from that side, and they will be exiting from that side only. And they will not be coming here. So this whole circular loop has been created to ensure that there is only one side to exit and one side to enter from. The Rail Mantri or Railway Minister has said that 16, 14, 15 platforms will now be used for trains who are eastbound trains. So all the trains that are going to the eastern part of the country will now come at these very platforms, so it will be easy for crowd management in this area. And all the trains going to the northwestern side will come on the other platforms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a mechanism that is being used by the railways to manage the kind of crowds. Remember, the stampede that happened in Mahakumbh Prayagraj times on the New Delhi railway station was unprecedented, and a lot of people lost their lives. Women, children, men were all trampled upon during the stampede. And taking that as a lesson now, 76 other stations will also have this kind of holding facilities, which is being built by the Indian Railways for extreme crowd management and crowd control situations. And certainly it's going to be a good facilitation for the passengers as well, because as I said, festive rush leads to a lot of crowd on the railway bridges, on the footover bridges, in the holding areas. And for the facilities of the passengers, there are toilets that have been installed here, and of course ventilation has been maintained so that even during hot summer months people can come here and they can take rest with their luggage, and so that they don't crowd over on the footover bridges and keep waiting for the train, which is actually what leads to a lot of commotion and could unfortunately lead to a stampede-like situation. To avoid all of that, this is something that the Indian Railways was working on for some time, and it has now been built for the facilities of passengers who will now use the Indian Railways a lot more during the festive season, especially ahead of the Diwali as well as Chhath Puja and the coming New Year's.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.